Good east positioning of the sun, everybody. And he's thinking, ah, this snowball fucker's back. Anyways, yeah, welcome to some more Banjo Kazooie. Last time, we had started our journey through Freezy Peak. And we got very close to finishing it, but we physically can't. And I'm also going to show you something right now. Ha! Don't think you can use these until you found... Ha! Don't think you can use these until you found out how. So, in other words, you see this panel right here that got unlocked? You need these shoes to use. Because there's no way you're reaching that in time.
When the back of Grunty's hand whoops your butt, you'll hardly stand.
Oh, I think I know what to do. Because, yeah, you got to get up to that top notch there in order to get the Jiggy. And, of course, that only appears for 10 seconds. And as you can see, even with the talent shot, it's going to take you way longer than 10 seconds to do. So, save this in mind. I think this is... Ah! Okay. I think you gotta poop on it. Yeah, you gotta poop on it. And I think this one you gotta run up in. No, shoot it? Yeah, shoot it. Okay, so egg's the weakness. And now, look at that! We made a connection earlier. So, seeing this connection, that's it. You've created a shortcut. Hop in and see. Now, when you hop in the cauldrons after finding two of a similar color, you will get teleported back to the earlier ones. Now, I don't really see this being important of use, but this was built with the N64 in mind, and every single time you're supposed to start in Grunty's lair. I'm using save states so that way I can just go back into parts of the game earlier in case there's a recording failure. Oh. Also, another note. Now you're going to notice that beehives start having bees in them and around them. Yeah, it might hurt you to go get health. They're ramping up the difficulty on us. We need 450 notes. But first, let's head up this way. And another cauldron.
Your butt will tell you, and you'll know when my boot swings to and fro.
We do not have the green one matched up yet, but just keep that in mind that this is here for later. If you'll excuse me for a minute, I really have to... Excuse me about that. Anyway. Ah, shit! Okay, it's whatever. There's an enemy nearby, right? Yeah, one of you blue knot plungos. Damn it. That wasn't worth it. Okay, wait, there's another note door here. Well, we have 500 notes, so let's open up this note door and see what's inside. Oh, okay, so this is where I thought the other one was. Ah, okay, so over here, we take a look at this. We have our next destination. Fully unlocked and ready to play. We got Gobi's Valley. And now we're supposed to head down there for our level. But yeah. So, we got a level unlocked. That's pretty cool. But if we continue going this way, we can see that there is a spooky mouth. And Spoopy Mouths have always showed us designated levels. We also want to remember something for over here. So, what is in here? Oh my goodness. Well, this is an intricate level entrance. And oh man, I'm gonna be honest with you. If you know this game, then you know what I'm about to say. But if you don't know this game, just, oh, I'm excited. This level entrance is potentially my favorite level entrance to my favorite level in the game. We've got a little bit to go yet, but I'm excited. We're getting there. But yeah, and for this, we need, oh, okay, hold on. Nope. For this path over here, we need the Mumbo transformation in that level. So, you'll excuse me, let's go make our way back. We've unlocked Gobi's Valley. And so we know where the next level is and where we need to go. But there was another note door that I wanted to check out! Well, thankfully this isn't Gruntilda's lair. Well, I mean, thankfully this is Gruntilda's lair and there's no notes in this. In the lair. Anyways. Ahem. What I was gonna go say before I fell to my death was that there's also another note door, and I do want to see. Do I want to see what that leads?
Monsters chase you, they're a hounding, and then you'll get a grunty pounding.
Kinky. Anyway, I guess I do kind of want to check out what's in this note door over here before we tackle the next level, because we do have enough notes to open it. But this is also saved for later, as we only have 50 more notes than it. Oh. We have another spooky mouth door. And if you want some foreshadowing, you can get it. Now, my OCD prevents me from hating any level more than Freezeezy Peak. But this room contains the entrance to everyone's least favorite level, and the objective worst. And you know what? They're not wrong. They're really not wrong. If Freezy, I'll be honest, if Freezeezy Peak could let you get everything in one go, then it wouldn't, although I wouldn't like it as much, although I still wouldn't like it because I have other problems with the level, I will be perfectly fine in admitting that it's not the worst, and I would give it over to this level. Oh wait, is there another thing in here that I missed? I guess there isn't. Okay. Oh, okay, is there something over here that I missed? I could've... Wait, I'm an idiot. Okay. Aha! There is something that I missed. Over this way, there is another little secret path. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Through the Wendy's. Grunty's layers of Wendy's. Just imagine, like, this whole huge mountain, but down the backside there's just a Wendy's, and he's like,
Ah, yes. Hello. Our prices are super low. I do not have time to come up with clever rhymes, so I'll turn you into Mr. Mime. Or make you permanently say Jim is Gime.
Anyways. Yeah, baby, let's go! We found another level picture, and we got enough puzzle pieces, so why not? I'll drop them in now, so we don't have to worry about it later. And We still got 12 Jiggies, but that is Mad Monster Mansion. Oh boy. I gotta say it, buddy. I really do gotta say it. I love me some Mad Monster Mansion. Again, I will stand and die on this hill, but Mad Monster Mansion is the best level in Banjo-Kazooie. I will die. I am willing to die on that hill. Oh, that is so good. Well, we have that unlocked, so we know where that level is, but I want to take care of that when I'm supposed to take care of that. Because, one, even though it's my favorite, we still need an ability from Gobi's Valley to finish it in one run. And I would still like to finish it in one run and get the last Jiggy that we need in Freezeezy Peak before we even open that door. So yeah, let's make our way over to Gobi's Valley first. Get everything in there because we can get it all in one go.
Long of tooth and strong of arm, Grunty's got the lasting charm.
Okay. Hype yourself up, girlfriend. We spent half the episode exploring Grunty's lair. Oh, this is a cauldron room. No, we already were in here. Run, run, Kazooie. That guy ain't too far behind. Oh, it's in there. Okay. There's the entrance to Gobi's Valley. Where are the boots? Where are the waiting boots? There they are. Is it just me, or is the song when you have the waiting... I know that the songs for like the intro and the waiting boots are supposed to be super similar, but it just sounded like to me that they're saying Banjo, Kazooie, Banjo, Kazooie, you know, musical instrumentation. Hello, Brentilda, did we talk to you yet?
Grunty's best friend at which school was the awful sweaty Betty? When relaxing, she usually reads Big Butts and Guts magazine.
Ah, right, I called you out for being a king shamer.
While sipping a glass of her favorite smoothie, Elephant Sweat.
Yeah. Anyways, Gobi's Valley. Here we are. This is evil.
Oh, one more move in here, Banjo.
That was evil. Drunken once a rain. I'm shriveling up.
How's your nuts, Bark Breath?
Kazooie! Will eggs and feathers help? No. Need water. Help. Kazooie. This is rated E for everyone. I appreciate the innuendos though. I love the adult jokes. Anyways, moving on. Grabbing up all the notes that we possibly can. I still cannot hear the game. That is very lame. But I can also see that the game OBS is picking up this audio, so, you know, that's very good. Wow. Ah, waiting boots. Okay. something up here. Okay, it's not. Feathers ahoy! Bye-bye! Oh, hey, look at that. There's something to fly in. Superman! Dun, 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 dun. Summon all the hidden rings of the ancients to beat the witch. All the hidden rings of the ancients to beat the witch. Okay. Where'd he go? Hello? Ring dude? See another ring. Cactus ring though. Oh, they're probably gonna summon something in there later. Okay. Ah! A game! Game! Where's the fucker? Okay, I guess that counted. Oh, there he is. I will save that for later. I didn't have to fly so far. Boom. Alright, let's go beat the witch! Woohoo! We're gonna Superman 64 this bitch. Honestly, if Superman 64 came on the Nintendo 64 emulator for NSO, I would love that. That would be so fucking awesome. And hilariously amusing. Damn, that must be some sturdy straps on Banjo's backpack. Only joking, mortal. We can only give you this. So I recognize that he said earlier that if you summoned all the rings that he would beat the witch, but I don't know. During my first playthrough, I was like, what are you talking about with it only being a joke? I'm not exactly pissed off here. I kind of was like, you know, maybe I was just expecting to only really get a Jiggy. By the way, we got one of the 10 Jiggies. I guess we have time for one more. Ah, probably should have stayed up there. Ah! Hello, grubba. My toes is all blocked up. So I'm gonna block it up even more. Hey, that tickles. Eggs tickle, huh? Well, then if I block it up enough. Ah, we open it up. Okay. Ah, that clear Jinxie's nose. Come on in. Well, I will do that in the next episode, because next time on Banjo Kazooie, as you can clearly we will try to get absolutely everything in Gobi's Valley. But until that time happens, the name's Wu Fang, and I bid you all a good West positioning lesson, everybody. Take care, and I'll see you all next time.